Hello, welcome. My name is Javier Navarro. We are at D.A.S audio booth at ISE 2023, and we are presenting products for installation. Integral series is being thought to be the brain of your installation. We are presenting here units as the Integral M88, which is a matrix having 4 analog inputs, 8 analog outputs, and 4x4 in and out Dante digital audio channels. All the family is being thought to be used with our lines passive speakers for installation, wall mount speakers, ceiling speakers, etc. The good point, software control over Ethernet, Alma software, dedicated presets for our systems, priority inputs you can have per each output of the system. You can have up to 2 levels of priority. For instance, in this case, for these 8 outputs, I can have 2 priority levels. We can also have Dante audio outputs. We can send back audio process to the network. And we have in total a matrix of 8 inputs and 8 outputs, as we have and we are showing here in the computer in this case. Okay? For more information, please don't hesitate to visit our website, www.dasaudio.com. Bye-bye.